Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading, Color Our World for July 7th, 2025, Part 1. Pink is for Boys by Robb Pearlman, illustrated by Etta Cabin. Pink is for boys and girls and those on fancy clothes. Blue is for girls and boys and uniforms on a team. Yellow is for boys and girls and a crown to wear. Green is for girls and boys and grass to run on. Red is for boys and girls and cars racing along the track. Orange is for girls and boys and popsicles dribbling down sticky chins. Purple is for boys and girls and unicorns, because unicorns. Brown is for girls and boys and teddy bears to cuddle. Black and white are for boys and girls and puppies and kittens to pet. And all the colors are for everyone, girls and boys. And flowers and butterflies and rainbows in the sky. The end. Okay, we're going to do a rainbow lacing kit. And for this, optional is some tape. When we lace, you can either tie a knot in the cord or you can tape it to the back, and I think it'll be quicker if we tape it to the back, so I'm going to tape mine, but you can tie a knot. And your kit includes a rainbow with holes in it. If the holes are blocked, like they're not cut all the way through, you can use a pen or a pencil to jab the little chads out, I guess it would be. And then you have your lacing kit, which includes the colored cords, this red one, which is for the top, and some beads, and then the directions are inside there too. But what we're going to do is we're just going to, and there's a little cloud that we're going to have to stick on at the end. We're going to take the knot out, separate the cords, and lace them through. And at the end of each cord, we're going to put some beads on. So you want to start underneath and go under, over, so that you're lacing. Now I'm going to tape it here so that it doesn't come through all the way. I made the tape too big. There we go. And I'm just going to lace all the colors through so that they match. Make sure you don't go through the little hole at the top, because that's to hang it up. In and out. Oops, see, I messed up. I did a loop. Easy to fix. Go through, come down. Now at the end of that, we want to put 3 beads of the matching color. So on my red, I'm putting 3 red beads, and then you just tie it off. And if you want, you can get scissors and cut off the end once you've tied it off. Or you can just leave it, it's up to you. So that's the red. And I'm gonna go ahead and lace the other colors. I'll tie this up first. I'm right-handed, I'm trying to use my left hand. Silly. Okay. I'm gonna make a square knot there, over, under, and over, under. Now remember, this string is kind of slick, so if you pull it too much, it'll undo, but there's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and then come back, and then maybe we'll snip it off. And if it's a little bit tight, you can loosen it this way. There. Okay, I will finish this and come back and show you what it looks like. All right, so I have it all laced up. This is what it looks like for now. And this is the back. And you can see the tape on there. The beads are here, and I decided I am going to cut off the ends just because they're a little long and they're uneven, because you have fewer holes the further down the rainbow color scheme you go. So there. Now the only other thing we have to do is stick on the cloud. So we just peel off the back. Try to line it up as best we can. And stick it on. And that's all there is to it. There's your laced rainbow kit there, craft.